Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Azure AD B2C for mobile apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Azure AD B2C for mobile apps, start by setting up an Azure AD B2C tenant. Log into the Azure portal and navigate to create a resource. Select Identity and then choose Azure Active Directory B2C. Next, set up a new user flow by navigating to User Flows under the Azure AD B2C settings. Click on New User Flow to proceed. Choose the Sign Up and Sign In flow, and provide a name for your flow. Select the identity providers you wish to use, such as email or social logins. Configure user attributes and claims according to your app's requirements. Once you've set up the flow, click on Create to save it. Now, go to the Applications section to register your mobile app. Click on Add to create a new application. Enter a name for your app and select the appropriate platform. For mobile apps, choose the appropriate redirect URIs that match your application. Ensure that you enable Allow Public Client Flows for authentication. Save the application settings to complete registration. Next, retrieve the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID from the application overview. In your mobile app, use an Azure AD B2C library suitable for your development platform, such as MSAL for React Native or Xamarin. Install the necessary SDK using your language's package manager. Authenticate users by implementing the sign-in flow in your app using the SDK. Use the client ID and redirect URI to configure the authentication parameters. Prompt users to enter their credentials or choose an identity provider for sign-in. Handle the authentication response and retrieve access tokens for API calls. Store the tokens securely within your mobile app for session management. Test the entire authentication flow thoroughly to ensure a seamless user experience. Finally, implement logout functionality by leveraging the SDK to clear user sessions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.